how they think is going to happen, because I got a lot of guns of a AK-47, 9mm pistol, submachine gun, bazooka, and the J, you know, and a nuclear war bomb. I'll have to nuke the entire world because of everything, you know, motherfuckers in the town. I think I am going insane because I don't know why. I just go crazy.